Hey guys, welcome back. It's Tanaeah and I'm back today with a client tutorial. And today will just be a soft, simple glam using the Jackie Aina palette, her addition with the Anastasia Beverly Hills. First, we're going to start off with a warm orange transition color. And I don't have the palette with me, so I can't tell you guys the names right now. And I'm just going to take that and blend it all on the transition up to the brow bone. And we're going to do it on both sides, because what you do to the left, you got to do to the right. Now I'm going to take that dark brown shade and put that in the outer V to add some depth and dimension to the eye. We're just going to blend that and bring it in really slightly, and then just blend it outwardly. Here I'm taking one of those Stila liquid eyeshadows and just applying that to her eyelid. And I believe I take one of the shimmer pigments from the palette also and put it on top, if I'm not mistaken. I'm really not sure though. Just stay tuned to see. Her face is already primed. I'm pretty sure I primed her with some primer water. But for foundation, I'm taking the Maybelline Dewy Foundation in the shades Coconut and Mocha. And I mixed them to get her perfect shade. And I'm taking a beauty blender to blend that all out. To highlight, I'm using my Graftobian Warm Foundation palette, and I want to say this is like the last shade. It's the palette that comes with like 6 shades, and I believe this is the last shade I'm using. I don't have the number in my head, So we're just gonna take that underneath the eyes, the forehead, the nose, the chin, and then we're just gonna blend it out with the Beauty Blender. And I'm gonna set it, oh, I guess I'm adding some ColourPop concealer also. That was in the shade probably 46. And then now we will blend it. And after I blend this, I'm gonna take my Sacha Buttercup Cosmetics banana setting powder and set those areas where I highlighted at. I'm blending this away. I'm using some MAC mineralized skin finish powder in the shade, I think deep or deep dark, something like that, to blend it away to get minimum, like, no flashback if she's taking like pictures with the flash. And also I'm going to use that to like set the areas I didn't set with the other powder. And now we're going to bronze and contour using this Fenty bronzer. I believe this is the shade Mocha Mami, the darkest shade when they first released, I believe. Now I'm going to fill in her eyebrows, nothing too dramatic, just something, natural looking. She's not the dramatic makeup person. I love her though. But I'm using the Anastasia pencil, and I'm going to say this in the shade Granite, to just follow the natural shape of her eyebrows. Now I'm just gonna add the MAC Chestnut lip liner to line her lips, and then I'm gonna add like a little gloss. It's like a light pink gloss in the middle. And that will complete her look. I appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell right next to it to get notified when I upload. Don't forget to comment, like, share, all that. And I will see you guys soon.